This video is brought to you by hostingref.com, and today's topic is about PHP programming and web hosting benefits. PHP is a programming language especially suited to web hosting. It does many of the same things CGI does. Therefore, with PHP, you can create things like forums, email forms, and track site activity through the use of cookies. PHP can also manage Flash movies and PDF files, and can run any number of other scripts, allowing you to do everything from schedule events with online calendars, to add news feeds to your sites. PHP can be used by beginners, and there are several online tutorials that will walk even the new user through the basic commands and functions. This is another area where free web hosting may be of help. If you can find a free web hosting service that allows PHP scripting, that would be a good way to try out your new knowledge and hone your skills. PHP is often used with Apache, a highly customizable web server that is very popular and widely used. Apache is updated frequently and is always being worked on, a benefit when it comes to new features. It runs on most recent operating systems. The company claims that Apache is one of the fastest and most secure web servers available. When combined with PHP and MySQL, you can do almost anything. PHP works by embedding scripts within a website's hypertext markup language, or HTML. The scripts are then executed by the web service. If you want to use the nigh endless features of this programming language, you will need an affordable PHP web hosting service that supports it. Many web hosts support PHP scripts. Even free web hosts will sometimes support this. PHP support often comes in a web hosting package along with a variety of other features, so you can meet all of your web hosting needs with one monthly payment. Often these payments make for low-cost web hosting, as they are frequently below $10 a month. The same web hosts that support PHP also support other scripts and programs, like CGI, MySQL, and more. So when you choose a web hosting provider that is within your budget, you're likely to get maximum flexibility with scripts and databases, even if you aren't made of money. Cheap web hosting does not have to be inferior quality web hosting. After all, one common PHP script allows you to track traffic to your site. You can create a variety of hit counters to show this type of data. You can also customize forums with PHP, for example with a drop-down menu that lets people show how long they've been logged in and what they are doing on the forum. You can write scripts that display the current date and time in a web page, scripts that display voter and weather information, scripts that arrange links according to popularity, and much more. Many web hosting providers support PHP and offer many other features alongside it at affordable monthly prices. If you are a beginning user and the scripts seem too difficult, you might consider a WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get, editor like Dreamweaver or FrontPage. They help automate the installation of popular scripts and display them to you as they would appear on your finished website. If you choose to use FrontPage, all you have to worry about is finding an affordable web hosting services that supports its scripts, and these abound. It is more than possible to find a web hosting service on a budget that allows for PHP, CGI, MySQL, and FrontPage, so that you can customize your website the way you want, no matter your method. With deals like this, finding budget web hosting that is also PHP web hosting should not be difficult. That is how it should be. The setup should be easy and dynamic, so that you can get right to creating your web page and getting your message or product out to consumers. See if free PHP web hosting will work for you to maximize your budget. After all, there is no web hosting more affordable than free web hosting.